Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to say that it is early in the month and I got my BOXYCHARM Premium. Wow, right? When does that happen? So we're going to open her up. I'm going to try on what I can. Heads up, not a lot of makeup. We're going to get into that. Excuse this one and only nail that's still hanging on. She's not going anywhere, so I'm not sure why, but I know. I'm clocking myself, so you guys don't have to. All right, guys. This is the BOXYCHARM Premium for the month of August. It's my birthday month, and my son's birthday just passed, so it's definitely August. All right, guys. So I'm going to open her up and give you a little bit of a sneak peek, okay? So let's see. What can I use? Let's start with just in order. So number one, I actually have this and have never used it. I did get it in the Huda Beauty mystery box, and this is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisture, excuse me, Jelly Moisturizer. And this says it is a luxurious texture jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in the moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. It is a $49 value. We're going to try her out. I think right now I'm just trying to go in order of what else I could use. So first, actually, I might jump into this next product, which is the Osea, I want to say. I think it's OC or Osea. And this is a skin mist. So this is a Kissed by Soft Matte. No, it's not. That's the wrong line. This is a sea mineral mist. It is supercharged toning mist with seaweed to visibly even out your skin tone, while minerals work their magic, cooling and refreshing with aloe vera. Mist helps to nourish sun-drenched skin. Microcloud mist. We'll see. Plumping hydration. So I guess I could definitely use that first as like my toner. So let me just pull my hair back real quick, guys. I'm taping this, and then I'm going to be going into tape a Trend Mood box that I have right now for a box that is actually up right now. It's the Nabla. So look forward to that next, guys. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful glass bottle with the only nail I have. And we'll get a good spray here. Oh. All right, so I wouldn't say this is a fine mist. It's one of those mists that kind of comes out a little bit bigger. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like actual dots of it in my face, and it like smacks you in the face. So I don't know about a fine mist, but okay. So while we're waiting for this to dry and then going to some moisturizer, I wanted to do this next. This is the, I believe it's LaRousse. It is the Beauty Face Disc, and this is for wiping away makeup. I love these. I actually buy these. I don't like to use little cotton rounds, but that's pretty much what the equivalent these are. They all have different like thicknesses, as you'll see, and fluffiness. So this one's obviously fluffier and thicker than this one is. I know that I believe it's maybe this one is for exfoliating, and the white and the black one are pretty much the same as well. So love that I got this. Typically I wouldn't love something like this in my box, but I really do love these. And we're still waiting for this to kind of dry. So let's go on to the next one. And this is the Lux and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. Now, I don't want to open this because I'm just not 100% that I'm going to use this. I have a ton of facial tools, should I say, so I'm just not sure about that. But let's see. Actually, I can now get into the Honey Balm. This is going to be the first time I've used this, though I do have it. I just hate to open things because, you know, like they have a shelf lifetime. So this is the beautiful packaging. I do love that. Oh, oh wow. You open her up and I mean, it does remind me of honey. Like it gets stuck. Oh, it's beautiful inside too. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like iridescent. Very pretty. There's got to be mica or something in there because I can see some sparkles. And that is probably there to give your skin a slight blur. Oh, I'm trying two new things. I really hope I don't break out. How are you guys doing? I haven't seen you guys since Jeffree Star boxes. I have not been back for a new self-love or challenge for coaching, but I will be back with that soon. I just wanted to get these boxes out to you because I was rather surprised. So we don't forget our neck and our chest. I was rather surprised that it was here early because, as we know, like a lot of times boxes don't get here until like the end of the month. So I wanted to get this up and at you. So I'll give you guys a good look at my skin. Definitely dewy, glowy looking, which I love because I do have dry skin. Does have a fragrance, so if you're a person who doesn't like fragrance, I totally think that maybe you could skip this one. It's not super strong, but like Allah has, even cosmetics have like pretty strong scents to them. All right, guys. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the Vesca Beauty Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. And this is $30. I'm not sure if I said I don't think I did. The Lux and Willow is supposed to be a $79.99 vibrating facial massager. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it out. I think that might be slightly overpriced for a facial massager, but hey, who am I to say? I didn't make it. I don't know what it costs. So this is the Vesca, like I said, the bronzer. It was available in 70 shades. It is $30. Let's open her up and see what color I got, I guess you would say. Oh, not having nail stains biting me in the bottom right now. All right, guys. So, oh, beautiful. This is what it looks like. Very sleek packaging. Very simple, but nice looking. But as a bronzer, the white on the, wow, the white on the outside. I was going to say it's dirty. Do we see this? I feel like that might be too dark for me. We are going to try it out though. I'm just going to open everything up and then I'm to do a full face with my Nabla stuff. So I'm pretty much going to jump into the Nabla video, tape that, and show you guys the bronzing powder and the next item, which are the only two makeup items I got. The Zoeva, let's see, it's the Zoeva Powerful Lip Twist. Hug your lips with a high precision and powerful charging pigment. Shape and shade your lips with smooth, creamy, comfortable, and pure color. So let's open her up. It looks like I've got a very nude color. I don't have any of Zoeva's lips. I don't believe I do, at least. I don't think I have any that look like this. The lip twist for sure. Okay. It really looks like concealer. I'm interested to see what that's going to look like, but we can get a little bit of a glimpse right now. Oh yeah, I might have to do a darker, oh no, maybe that might be a really pretty nude. I might have to do a darker like line and then fill it in with this, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna take a pause right now. I'm going to do the rest of my face, my eyeshadow, my foundation, and then I will come back for the bronzer and I will come back and show you the lip as well. All right guys, be right back. Okay, hey guys, so I am back with my bow. I used the new Nabla palette that you'll see in the next video that's going up. And it's a gorgeous palette, I'll just say that. And now we're gonna go into the Vesca bronzing powder that looks all too dark for my skin tone, but we're gonna find out. So I'm going to take a large brush. I really like, where are you, my friend? Oh no. Okay, so I really like this guy recently, and I'm gonna dab. And then I'm gonna, like, as you can see, I was swatching earlier. Okay, actually might not be horrible. And then I'm gonna just drag it along. Okay. Let me see if I dot it and then move it like right along. What happened? Okay, so that's a little dark. All right. Okay. Now we get a buff. Buff and blend. Buff and blend the hairline. I mean, it's actually not horrible at all. Okay, so I'm gonna again take 2 dots of it and I'm going to start here, so I have most of it here, and then I'm just going to bring it into the jaw and towards the mouth a little down here, so swiping it here and here. Okay, it's actually a pretty good fit. So again, same thing. I got 2. Oh, it smells really good. I don't know how to describe the smell. Like sunscreen, but the good kind, with coconut and summer pina colada. I'm not sure. It smells like summer though. That's the best way I can explain it. So I'm going to buff back and forth a little bit down here, and then I'm going to go right back in here and buff, and it actually is a really good color for me. Okay, so you guys can check it out. Perfect. And then I just do a little bit of this to push the extra amount in. And I think I could even go in a little bit more. I don't want to go ham, but okay, so it's not ridiculously pigmented. Like this side is darker than this side. So I'm just going to dip in a little bit more, concentrate it here. There you go. Blend it out and down here. And then I'm just going to stipple and sweep. Okay, I think it gave me a nice color, actually. It was a good choice. All right, so now I'm going to do the rest of my look, and then I'll be back for the lip. All right, guys, so it is that time. I'm going to take this pencil. I'm going to come up closer. I should probably look in this mirror. Sorry. I'm going to first line the lip. I always line with a cross in the front. Obviously using this like it's a liner. Sorry if you see stuff, it's the sugar scrub I was using. I don't just have random stuff on my face. Okay, so it might be a little bit light. Let's see. I'm gonna fill it in now. Not horrible. Give me a second and let me see if I fill in just a little bit darker around what that will look like. All right, guys, so I did outline the lip a little with this color right here. It's a little bit more pink than it actually is. It's called Leo, and then I really do like this. It's really creamy. It sits nicely. It's hydrating to the lips, and I feel like it's really pretty. So this was the final look that I came up with, and I think all in all that, so let me grab the box, and I guess I could probably take this down. Stuff been so crazy, right? All right, guys, so I think all in all the box, ooh, gotta straighten that again. The box was pretty good. It's actually good, especially when you think about like how the boxes have been. My only gripe, I guess, would be that it's really skincare heavy. I mean, this is considered a tool. It's considered a tool both for skin. This is skincare. This is skincare. I got a lip liner and the bronzer. So, technically between the things that I picked out, I only got a lip liner that was opposite like what I had picked out myself, which was the bronzer. And just if you guys were wondering, because I realized I probably didn't tell you, this is the color. It's called Kissed by Diani or Diani. I'm not really sure. It's made in Italy. It's got a 16 or 18 month shelf life. I can't see, so there's that. But yeah, I think all in all, I think all in all that it was a good box. It just could have been better if it was more skincare oriented. I do have that I'd like half and half. This certainly wasn't half and half. But I guess not too far off when you think about 6 to 7 items. Two of them, one more would have kind of made it half off, so or half off. So not half off, half of. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I think that it's a great box. Like I said, just a little bit skincare heavy. I think what I'm gonna do is go into my survey and change it to say like more makeup. Even though I'm a skincare person, I feel like I'm definitely gonna get skincare regardless. So I might as well just put that in my like survey, I guess you will, and see if that changes anything at all. Because I said half and half. Maybe if I put more, I'll end up getting, 1 or 2 pieces more of makeup. All right, guys. So thank you for hanging out with me today. This is my Boxy Premium for the month of August. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the month. Like I said, my next video coming up will be the trend mood box. I'm going to show you kind of how I got this look, show you what else came, and it's a great box for $44. Check it out. It's a good one that is up right now, so you really might want to grab it. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to pack with your emotions and your feelings every day. Take care of you. Do all the self-love. Go back and check some of my videos on ideas and ways to do that, like self-affirmations and such. So I will see you guys with a new self-love challenge soon. I love you all. I'm sending you all good vibes and lots of light, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.